Hey guys, this is John. Just wanted to put together a quick little video on how to install OptimizePress on your WordPress website. So we're going to go through the steps in order to install OptimizePress. Once you have your domain, pointed on your server and everything is working. So currently we are using Bluehost in order to uh, get WordPress on our server for the platform. All right, so I'm gonna go into Bluehost. All right, once you log into Bluehost, you will be able to you'll have a few options. It's actually pretty cool, everything that you can do within Bluehost, but we strongly recommend using Bluehost as the server solution. If you want some more details on what we mean by your hosting solution, what the server means, look in the description below where we can give you more information on how to get started with your own hosting service. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the cPanel. And basically what we need to do, we need to install WordPress on our website with the domain pointing to it. So I'm going to click on Simple Scripts. Simple Scripts is going to help us install WordPress on our server. Now you can do this a different way manually by using your FTP, but that stuff just is too hard and it takes too long. So this is a good way. Mojo Marketplace tries to upsell you, and they do a great way. They do a good job once you get everything installed, trying to get you sold on other themes and everything. I've tried it, not liked any of those other themes. That's why I strongly recommend using OptimizePress because of the ease of customizing the sites, the templates, and how everything is working. It's just so put together. So we're going to go ahead and install a new script. Okay, these are the different options you can choose from. WordPress is what we're going to select. We're going to start a brand new install. Alright, so the install, what we're going to do is we're going to select the domain. I select the domain without the www because a lot of people don't go ahead and type that in before URLs these days. So the easier the better. So we just go ahead and click that is what I suggest. Okay, it looks like we need to overwrite the information that's there already. It was having some problems earlier. I think they were having some server issues, Bluehost, or not issues, they're probably just changing some stuff around the holidays. So it's usually stuff that could happen, worst case. So the site of the name, we're going to go ahead and put the default, what we're thinking. Actually, let's, yeah. Yeah, I Heart Film Productions is the website that we're going to be working with right now. And the username, we're just going to do a simple admin. You can always add you can add more users and add on as you go, but it's good to have an admin user that could overwrite everything else. But make sure you have your email address, something that you're going to make sure that you have an email address that is secure and something that you're not going to be able to have people hack into in the future. So okay, So we're going to go ahead and automatically create a new database for this installation. I like to take a screenshot of what I just did so I don't forget anything. And I've read the terms and conditions. Install now. Okay, installation complete. You can access your new website using the following information. So literally, here's a hyperlink that you can go right to it and see your website working with WordPress. Usually it's a default. Yup. Hello world. January 2nd. All right. So in order to get into the backend now, you're going to have to use the login URL, which is usually your URL that you just assigned as an add-on or your primary. So go to your login URL, type in your credentials, all right, so here's the dashboard. It's already up and working. So what I need to do now is install OptimizePress on this. So we got to use, for OptimizePress, you pretty much need to use an FTP in order to install the theme on your website. An FTP is a file transfer protocol. FileZilla is a free solution, so it's pretty cool. So I'm using a Mac, so we're going to download FileZilla client. So it looks like this is all SourceForge is what we're going with. Hopefully this isn't a virus. Oh, it was not a virus. Thank the goodness of the ones above. Okay. Oh, right here. Alright, so anywhere. Allow from anywhere. Click this and it's done. Alright. Now we're ready. Open. FileZilla, here we go. Okay, so your host or your information for your FTP is basically the information that you would use with your Bluehost account. So for this example, all right, we are connected to our server. So this is basically where your website information lays and rests itself. So now what I need to do is go to my OptimizePress hub in order to get the download for the theme along with the API code in order to activate the theme once it's downloaded or uploaded onto this site using the FTP. Alright, so once you log in, if you click main downloads, this is basically all you really need. You need the main OptimizePress theme download. This is what you're going to import directly onto the FTP. So you click this, it downloads automatically. As soon as this is done, right here, you see this, once it's done, you want to extract it by clicking it. And then once that folder is extracted, that's a folder that you drag on into a certain location on your FTP, or using your FTP, but in a folder location on your server. Alright, so it's already ready. So Mac, the reason Mac is so cool is that you can just drag and drop literally everything. So iHeart Film Productions. As soon as you click on that, you're going to want to click on WP Content and then Themes. So WordPress automatically already has a few themes pre-installed. We're going to go ahead and drag the Optimized Press theme into that same folder and let it do its thing right now. Alright, so this is probably going to take about 5 minutes. So once this is done, we'll continue. Alright, so we are back at it. It looks like the Optimized Press file that I transferred onto the server location. Everything looks good there, so we're going to go ahead. Public HTML. Yeah, so usually what happens, just to give you an idea, if you are using an FTP, you'll normally see something like this when you first get on. Public HTML is where all the files are for your website, at least with all the WordPress files. So this is one I'm selecting. WP Content. That's where within that is your themes, plugins, folders. We're going to go ahead and just double check. See, you can now see Optimized Press Theme folder installed within that folder. So that means it is on the website and ready to be activated. So we're going to go ahead and now log into our website. All right. And also, it's important at this point to go to your optimized hub.com and get your API key for that theme. So we're gonna blur out what we have showing you right now because we can't have you guys taking our APIs. But copy your API key and then go into your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard for your WordPress, go into Appearance and then click Themes. So you'll automatically see Optimized Press theme is available to be activated. I'm going to go ahead and hover over it, click Activate. Okay, so basically says error API command. Alright, so API key, I'm going to paste it in there because we already copied it to our clipboard. Save settings. Alright, so you are automatically set up into, or you're directed to the blog setup. We're going to go through the basics. You can always go back and change this stuff, but just to get it going. So we're going to click theme style, first one, submit, and it's going to go steps 1 through 4 here. And once you're pretty much done with all that, then you will have all the basics down for setting up your WordPress site. So there it is. That is how you install Optimized Press on your WordPress platform. So Optimized Press is the number one theme that we strongly recommend using in order to build an efficient, clean, modern-looking website and using WordPress. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and we will respond back within 24 hours, if not sooner. So we look forward to talking with you, and hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.